Today we're removing window tint, but not window tint on the Macan. I actually really like the tint on that. What we're going to do is remove tint on the Impala. The reason why is because it has fairly odd window tint. The rear window is not tinted, and on the back, this side, the two sides have this light tint. And I actually really like window tint, so what I'm going to do is take this lighter tint off and then have the whole back of the car tinted with a much darker tint. Really, basically to get the back of the car more similar to that. Look, and there's a nice dark tint on the back. So in order to do that though, first step is to remove this lighter tint. To remove the window tint, what I'm going to do is find an edge, hit it with a heat gun, peel it off, and then even with a heat gun I find there is quite a bit of residual glue, and my technique for that is to spray it with brake cleaner and then basically just gently scrape it off with a razor blade and then wipe it with a cloth with brake cleaner, and that seems to get it real nice and clean. It's not a lot of time or effort, so let's get into it. So that's it for removal. That tint came off pretty easily overall. That brake cleaner really helped get that glue off. I think that was pretty key. So coming up next, I will get a professional shop to put some new tint back on. So as I mentioned, I plan to go quite a bit darker on all the back windows. I had tint professionally installed. This is Prime XR in 5%. So it's about as dark as I could get it on the back and rear windows, and overall I think it looks very good.